Automation should be easy to use, easy to maintain, and show outstanding performance in its intended function. At Breen Machine Automation Services, we strive to understand your needs by asking the right questions and actively listening. This allows us to provide automation and service that is exactly what you need and will serve you for years to come. We design, program, integrate, and commission new industrial control systems, upgrade obsolete control systems, and service existing equipment. We're your one-stop control solution.
Breen Machine knows exactly what they're doing when they came in. They made the transition effortless for Lodi canning when it came to putting in our new controllers.
You met our needs perfectly. I mean, we don't have like a lot of fancy machines, but the ones we do have lots of different programs in them, and you're able to actually work with all the programs.
We're a flexible, versatile team, often able to support you quickly when you're in a bind, or work with you on long-term projects. Think of us as an integrated part of your team. We speak your language, work on your schedule, and strive to be your champion in automation.
Scheduling can be a hassle with our labeling line, but Breen Machine was able to work around our schedule and come in when I needed him.
Your scheduling, when we call, you're usually here the same day if we need to be, and otherwise within a day or two if it's no rush. So very, very quick response.
High quality people are essential to high quality automation solutions. We hire smart, driven people, requiring people skills in addition to the technical. Then we train and develop our employees to increase value for everyone.
Your expertise was phenomenal in making this machine work correctly and get us back up in no time at all. I believe we had that done in one day and we were back up the next day.
I think mostly the team enjoys working with you guys because you're more personal. You're not robotic. You come in here with a personality of just open friendliness.
We value customer relationships and put your needs first. Through active listening and creative solutions, we set you up for success. We're here to help, keeping schedule on track, helping you avoid pitfalls, and delivering the high-quality automation solutions that make your life easier. We also offer a growing library of customizable, on-demand training to help your team be more efficient, confident, and self-sufficient.
You know, the overall whole package of working with you guys has been excellent so far.
And I would not hesitate to use Breen Machine in the future.
Get in touch. We'd love to meet you.